Hey guys, so if you are watching this, you're on Unit 1, you're around lesson 9, 10, or 11, and I want to talk something really fast with you guys when it comes to division problems. Most of you who are watching this, I already started this conversation with you, but I really want to reinforce it and make sure you understand it, okay? So we're going to solve division problems with fractions, and we're going to follow these three rules: keep, change, and flip, and it makes it so easy, okay? So we're going to start off with we're going to do green. 1/5 divided by 4. Okay, so our first step is to keep, meaning we keep our first number. So our first number is 1/5. Whoa. And we keep it. We change. That means we're changing our division into a multiplication. And we change that into multiplication. Then we flip, and it's using its reciprocal. Okay, when you use its reciprocal, that means we know that 4 is technically actually 4 over 1. We've already talked about that, okay? Then you're just going to flip it and make it its reciprocal, which is 1/4. Okay, and then we're just going to multiply like we do. So 1 times 1, 5 times 4, and that's 1/20th. Not 20th. And that's 1 over 20. Okay, so all we did was we keep, we change, and we flip. We're going to do another one. So we're going to say 6 divided by 7/8. Okay, so keep our first one. It's 6. Change our division into a multiplication. Flip. Use our reciprocal of our second. It has to be the second one. Okay, in that you flip it, you make it its reciprocal, which is 8/7. Put this over 1, and now multiply. Can I simplify here? No. So 6 times 8, which is 48. So we have 48. I'm so sloppy with this, guys. You know I am. I'm sorry. 48 over 7. And then we can make that into a mixed number. 7 can go into 48 how many times? So we know that 7 can go into 48 times, well, we know 6 times 7 is 42. And then we have a remainder of 6 and 6/7. So 6 and 7, 6 is what we get for that one. Okay, keep, change, flip. I'm going to do one more. Remember, we're using that reciprocal. So let's say we have 1/2 divided by 4. So we keep our first one. First one is kept. You have to keep the first one. Okay? That's 1/2. You have to keep the first one. You only flip your second number. Okay? Change it into a multiplication number. Flip to the reciprocal. We know that 4 is 4 over 1. So we flip it. We make it its reciprocal number, which is 1/4. And now we just go across and multiply. 1 and 1. 2 and 4. That gets us 1/8. Okay, so keep your first fraction or your first number, change your division into a multiplication, flip your second number into its reciprocal. So flip the number, okay? Remember, also simplify before you multiply. So do that cross simplification. So I'll give you a quick example. We'll just change this one up a little bit. Let's say we actually were dividing by 1/4. 1/2 divided by 1/4. And we keep our first number, change our fraction into a multiplication number, flip or use the reciprocal of 1/4, which is 4 over 1. Now remember, simplify before you multiply. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 goes into 4 2 times, so we already know that's going to be 2. Okay, so making sure we are simplifying before we multiply, then multiply. Okay, keep change, flip. Have fun with your division problems with fractions. Bye, guys.